Hello guys, I'm glad to see you. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on iPhone. Okay, first of all, find App Store and write in search what and click on WhatsApp. Click on this. Wait some minutes. Okay, we just download WhatsApp Messenger. Open. Angry continues and authentication your WhatsApp account or create new account what you want, but I don't want to do this. WhatsApp would you like send notification, click on allow, of course. Okay guys, there's also to tell you. Have a nice day.